Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk a little bit about how best to clean and maintain your Panasonic Air Fryer. We've got here the NFCC 600 model. Do just be aware if you've got a different model type there may be one or two slight differences when it comes to cleaning, so do just check your operating instructions to see any slight differences. Always worthwhile having a look in the operating instructions when it comes to cleaning your air fryer. So first thing you need to be aware of, obviously before you try any cleaning or maintenance, make sure your air fryer is unplugged and it has sufficiently cooled down right the way to room temperature. You don't want to accidentally burn yourself while you're cleaning out your air fryer. So when it comes to quick and easy exterior cleaning, one thing that will certainly be your friend is a nice soft microfiber cloth, especially if you've got a high gloss model like the CC600 here. Usually it's quite good at picking up fingerprints and anything oily off your hands, so you can give that a nice good clean. It also gets rid of any dust that can accumulate there as well. The more often you do this, the better as well. That means nothing's going to get sort of stuck on there and be more difficult to get off. So that's the exterior done, really straightforward. Let's now get into the interior of the model, starting with the basket. So one great thing about the basket is the tray actually lifts up and out of there, and this cooking tray is dishwasher safe. So you can pop that straight in the dishwasher after you've used it once it's cooled down. We do recommend you clean that after every use. So if you don't want to put it in the dishwasher, you can of course hand wash this with soapy water and a damp sponge. If you've got any food that is ingrained on there, you can give that a scrub with a sponge as well. That's the tray. The interior of the basket isn't dishwasher safe, so please don't put the rest of this basket in the dishwasher, but you can use warm soapy water and a sponge to scrub away any dirt or food that has gotten in there. If you do find you have got some really stubborn stains, you can fill this with a bit of warm water and soak it for 15 or 20 minutes to help bring those stains, bring those bits of food off, empty the water out, and then try scrubbing it with a sponge again. So that's the basket and tray. We've done the exterior. The only thing left now is the rest of this air fryer. So the first thing I want to talk about when it comes to the main body is actually the water tank and lid. So this is the water tank you can use for the gentle steam function. So empty this of any water, and this is also dishwasher safe. So the lid and the tank can go in the dishwasher. You don't necessarily need to clean that after every use, but if you are living in a hard water area, we do recommend you give that a clean more often than not, because any limescale buildup is going to affect how well the water comes out of this tank and into your air fryer itself. So tank and lid, dishwasher safe, that's good news. The last thing then is the interior of the air fryer itself. Now you can see here we've actually got the heating element in the middle of this air fryer, and that's the thing you need to be really aware of. You want to avoid that heating element while you're sort of wiping it with a sponge. So you can dampen a soft washcloth, but give it a real good wring dry. You don't want it to be too wet because you really want to avoid that heating element and not touch that while you're wiping this area clear of any bits of grime or food that can get trapped there. And that's pretty much it when it comes to cleaning and maintaining your air fryer. We've covered the basket, the tray, the outside and the interior of your air fryer. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.